Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can post journal on QuickFile accounting software. We need to access journals, and to access it we need to go to report section and there is journal subsection. To create a new journal, click on create. So either you can create a standard journal or adjustment journal, template is the same. Select the journal date, add a journal name, so I will have 08/2022, my numbering, and I will have a rate correction. Okay. Nominal code, some rates being posted to rent charge in my account. I will add description, rates correction. So I need to reduce by £150 and I need to add two rates. So there is general rates. Yeah, there is general rates, rates correction and £150. Make sure the debits balance credits. You can have multiple rows or lines. To add new line, click on this plus. You can have as many as you need. For example, if you're posting a payroll journal, you might have more than just 2 lines required. And click Save Journal Entry. So now this journal has been posted and this journal is added there. So when I click on View Details, I can amend if I need to amend something on this journal. So in this episode, I showed you how you can post either standard journal or correction journal on QuickFile accounting software. If you require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my QuickFile tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.